Game show, Namaste and a very good morning to all. I am representing Gujarat state. Today I am a Gujarati girl. Look at my bright and colorful dress. Gujarat is the land of Mahatma Gandhi. We have the Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world. We also love yummy food like dhokla, thepla, papda and jalebi. We love to dance garba. We love to dance garba during Navratri. Jai Jai Kari Gujarat. Thank you.